Hey y'all, welcome back to Jack's Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. Today we're gonna be putting the Typhur Smart Oven to the test. Not fries, not cookies, a whole damn chicken. If this thing can pull this off, I'll shut up. Typhur sent this oven over to me. We've worked together on a few products in the past, but I'm not babying this thing. If this thing cooks a dry chicken, we're gonna talk about it. A few of the feature breakdowns, it's got 12-in-1 cooking modes. This thing will even dehydrate. It's got 360-degree convection, apps, plus it presets within the app, and it's big enough for a whole chicken. But none of that matters if it cooks dry chicken, so let's find out. This bird is not gonna be treated special with this cook. I'm gonna treat this bird exactly like I would put it on my offset smoker. We're just gonna put a little bit of oil on it, and then we're gonna go over it with some rub and then stick it in here. I'm seasoning both sides of this bird. Light coating of this Nature's Seasons. Just a light layer. Then going with some of this Nashville Hot Deal. Also, if this bird is looking kind of funny to you, right here, I've removed the keel bone. A little bit more oil on this side just to give it so it'll stick. Don't forget inside the wings. Now over with our Nashville Hot Deal. Let me tell you something, this Nashville Hot Deal makes some delicious boiled peanuts. I also want to mention, if you want to pick up one of these Typhur sink ovens, you can get one at a discount. Just use the code JACKSNEW10. Now that we got our chicken seasoned up, we're gonna hit the power button on this, all right? We're gonna remove the thermometer, all right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to where it says preset. We're cooking not for time, we're cooking for doneness. So we're gonna keep doing that until we get down here to poultry. Then we're gonna, you see our target tip is 165. Now we're gonna move this function knob here until we get, you see I'm scrolling through here. We're gonna do it to where it's roast, right? And then we're gonna hit this button. Now we're preheating. This is the brains of the cook. Placement matters. We're going into the thickest part of the breast. We're not going into the thigh. If you go into the thigh, you're gonna dry your breast out. If the breast is right, your chicken's right. Again, going into the thickest part of the breast. All the way down, there's a little line on this that shows you how far to go in, all right? Remember, I'm not setting for time, we're setting for doneness. Going in on rack 1, this even tells you the rack level to put it in. 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. While this bird is cooking up, let me tell you about something else. So this has 360-degree convections. It has 2 heating elements in the top. It also has 2 heating elements in the bottom. It comes with a roasting pan. It comes with a regular grill rack. It also comes with an air fryer rack. And if you didn't know it, it does air fry. It'll dehydrate, it'll bake, it'll roast, it'll toast, it'll do bagels. You can proof bread in it. You can reheat pizza. You can cook a pizza in it even. And you can just use the keep warm feature. And you can monitor your cook with the app. Also, the probe is magnetic. It charges on the top. Now, I mean, I don't have to stay near this thing. I really just use the app. And you can see right now it's saying what my chicken is. It's 51.5 degrees Fahrenheit. You can reset it from Fahrenheit to Celsius if you want. I'm not gonna go over all the specs about this, like height, weight, width, and all that. There's plenty of videos out there on YouTube. You can go check those out if you want. Or I will leave those dimensions and whatnot in the description. Look at that. You can actually, with the light, you can actually monitor this thing and see what's going on. You don't have to keep opening that oven, which I really love, because you know what they say, if you're looking, you ain't cooking, unless you got a Typhur glass door. All right, so we're about 23 minutes in at the moment. We're at 127 degrees Fahrenheit even. I just went in here and I pulled the tray out and I turned it around. So in other words, before my breasts were at the window, now they're at the back. I looked at it, it wasn't getting any more done in the front or the back. I just was kind of being a little anal and being a little safe just to make sure I was getting some even cooking. So that's why I did it, but totally don't think it was necessary. We're at 162.4 degrees. So we're just gonna pull this out. We cook to the breast temperature, we're close to it, but I always trust and verify the thigh. So let's just give us a little go here and see what we got. Oh yeah, we're 186 in the thigh there. Let's check this one. 177, 167 in this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this now. We're gonna leave it out because we're gonna let this rest about 15 minutes and carry over, we'll bring it where we need to be. It's been 15 minutes. If this is dry, we're done here. Pull the probe out. Oh, I heard a suction. I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle here. Whoa. Well, she's juicy. It looks like she's juicy. Let's see. Oh yeah, wow. Yeah, she's juicy. All right, let's give her a go. So I'm impressed with this. It was juicy, the outer skin was crispy. We did it in, what it was, a 36 minutes total cooking time, that is, and then a 15-minute rest. I could see myself using this for other things for sure. I want to try a steak. You could use this just like you could your regular home oven, only smarter. One of the things I want to mention about this is you want to probably, if you have this or are using this on your countertop, you probably wanted to pull it away and not too close to any walls or anything. I did check the temperature on all four sides, the back side being the hottest, or the front side being the hottest, and also the back side. Right-hand side, left-hand side, and the top, not so hot, but still hot. Keep it away from children for sure. Again, guys, if you guys want one of these at checkout, put in the code JAXNEW10. All right, guys, I want to thank Typhur for sending this out to me. It is a sponsored video, but I can tell you, if this was not a good product, I wouldn't even be doing this video. You wouldn't even be seeing it. All right, guys, the Typhur sink oven. Do it.